In an industry where speed, customer experience, and data driven decisions make all the difference, having a reliable and intelligent POS system is crucial. SpotOn POS is designed to meet those exact needs. Built for restaurants and retail businesses of all sizes, SpotOn delivers a complete cloud based platform that merges point of sale functionality with advanced tools for inventory, staff management, marketing, and payments. Whether you run a coffee shop, a fast casual restaurant, a full service dining operation, or a multi location retail store, Spot On provides the tools to streamline operations, engage customers, and increase efficiency. Its sleek interface, flexible hardware options, and robust back-end features make it one of the most adaptable POS solutions in 2025. In this video, we'll walk you through the core features of Spot on POS, how they work, and why businesses across the hospitality and retail space are switching to this smart all-in-one system. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the menu and product management. Spot On's back-end dashboard allows you to fully customize your restaurant menu or retail catalog. You can build structured item groups, assign modifiers, and enable time-based pricing or special promotions. Items can be marked as taxable, available at certain hours, or limited in quantity. For retail, products can include barcodes, categories, SKUs, and inventory tracking by size, color, or style. This simplifies order entry, improves accuracy at checkout or tableside, and allows for real-time updates to keep menus and inventory fresh and relevant. Another key feature is the integrated payments and flexible checkout options. Spot On supports fast, secure payments using EMV chip cards, contactless payments, digital wallets, gift cards, and QR codes. Mobile POS options are available for curbside pickup or tableside payments. Online ordering and delivery integration flow directly into the POS system. This enhances customer experience with faster transactions and modern payment flexibility, while helping reduce line wait times and abandoned sales. Another key feature is the inventory management with real-time alerts. Inventory tools let you monitor stock levels, set low stock alerts, and generate purchase orders. Restaurants can track ingredient level inventory tied to recipes. Retailers can manage serialized items, seasonal stock, and incoming shipments across multiple stores. This reduces over-ordering and stockouts, improves purchasing decisions, and keeps costs under control by providing up to the minute inventory visibility. Another key feature is the staff management and shift tracking. Spot On includes employee scheduling, time clock integration, and access permissions by role. Staff can clock in and out directly through the POS. You can track individual sales performance, average order value, and tip distribution. Reports make it easier to manage labor costs and compliance. This streamlines HR and payroll workflows, improves accountability, and gives owners and managers better visibility into staffing needs and productivity. Another key feature is the customer loyalty CRM, and marketing automation. SpotOn comes with powerful built-in tools for managing customer relationships. You can enroll customers into loyalty programs, capture emails or phone numbers at checkout, and create targeted campaigns via text or email. Discounts, rewards, and referral programs are easy to set up and track. This boosts repeat visits, build long-term customer loyalty, and allows you to market directly to your audience without needing third-party software. So why is Spot On a great choice? Spot On stands out as a POS provider that goes beyond just transactions, is an ecosystem designed to support the full business life cycle. It offers an intuitive user experience for frontline staff, powerful admin tools for owners, and flexible integrations for accounting, marketing, payroll, and third-party delivery. What makes Spot On especially appealing in 2025 is its ongoing focus on customer success. Onboarding is tailored to your business with live training, menu setup support, and real-time assistance. Updates are rolled out regularly, keeping the platform modern and responsive to user needs. So, for businesses looking to grow, reduce tech stack complexity, and improve both internal processes and the customer experience, Spot On delivers a balanced combination of simplicity, power, and value. So basically, managing a restaurant or retail business requires more than just a register. With Spot on POS, you get a complete platform that brings together your sales, inventory, employee schedules, and customer engagement tools in one platform. It's flexible enough to match your business model, scalable enough to support growth, and intuitive enough for quick onboarding and daily use. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading from a legacy POS, Spot On provides the clarity, control, and customization needed to thrive in 2025. So start setting up Spot On today and unlock a smarter, more connected way to manage your restaurant or retail operation from the front counter to the back office. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.